Students, you are learning percentage. Now you are learning fraction. Now your last exercise is about percentage, which is very important in our practical life also. See, if you take the report card and goes to your home, the first person meet to you will ask you, you got your result, how much is the percentage you have got? Or someone will ask you how much percentage you have got in mathematics. So not only this, suppose in a class there are 50 students, then someone may ask you how many percentage of the students are boys. Like this, the percentage concepts comes in our life very often. Therefore, we are supposed to know about percentage. Okay, let us learn with the concentration what you understand by the word percentage. First of all, to move to this exercise, we are supposed to know some of the key aspects. What are the key aspects of the learning of this lesson? The definition of percentage. What do you understand by percentage? See, this is a combination of two words, per and cent. Per means, per head means for every individual. Per capita income means per individual per head income. Could you understand? Okay, per means for every. Per means for per and cent. Two words. Per means for every. For each. Or for each. Cent means 100. Cent means 100. For every 100. Percentage means for every 100. Suppose you have got in mathematics class test 8 upon 10. You got 8 upon 10. So definitely your marks will be always considered out of 100. So out of 100, 8 upon 10 can be said as 10 can be made 100 and 8 similarly that changes has to be given. So 80 by 100 which is equal to 80%. So 8 upon 10 score will be 80%. So I hope you have understood what is the concept of percentage. Percentage means for every 100, whether it's a smart school, whether it's a mixture of something, whether some other subject you are considering, the part of the required thing out of 100 will be considered as percentage. You have got the definition. Now moving on to two aspects we learned in class 6 standard, that how converting fraction, ratio, or decimal. Converting a fraction, suppose fraction, you are converting into percentage. Is a fraction. You are converting a ratio, or you are converting a decimal. All these can be converted to fraction. Percentage. This fraction can be converted into percentage. Ratio can be converted into percentage. Decimal also can be converted into percentage. How you do? See, when you make the denominator 100, then whatever the numerator, that will be said as percentage. But before I move on to the percentage, this is the sign of percentage. Here 50 written means got 50%. Here it is called 50%. This is the sign. It's called percentage. Okay, now this will be said as percentage. How? The denominator has to be 100. So any fraction is done, if we simply multiply with fraction 100, then that will be percentage. Any fraction, any decimal also, multiply by 100 and put percentage sign. Ratio also, multiply by 100, put percentage sign. I will prove it. Wait. Now see, 2 by 25. 5 by 25 will be how much percentage? 25 can cancel 4. 5 into 4 is 20%. So 25 by 25 is 20%. Could you understand? This fraction converted into percentage. Now this ratio. Anytime the ratio means two quantity, comparison of two quantity. first quantity divided by second quantity. 2 by 5 is equal to 2 is to 5 is equal to 2 by 5. Okay, that 2 by 5, this ratio can be written as 2 by 5 into 100%. Now this 5 once again can cancel, 5 20s are, so 2 into 20 is 40%. So 2 is to 5 is equal to 40%, 2 is to 5 is equal to 40%. Could you understand? Now this decimal, see 0.57, can you write down 0.57 as this into 100%? I said to you know. Now simplify this one. 0.57 can be written as 57 by 100 into 100%. 100 will be cancelled. It will become 57%. So 0.57 can be converted into 57%. So any fraction, any ratio, any decimal, once you are multiplying with 100, you will find the percentage. Multiply with 100 and put the percentage sign. Could you understand me? Anything. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is how much percentage? 1 upon 3 into 100%. That is equal to 100 by 3%. When you are multiplying with 100, you have to put this sign. Could you understand me? Now, moving on to the other term. Another key aspects to learn is reverse one. Percentage to fraction, percentage to ratio, percentage to decimal. How will you do? Fine. You have got suppose 20%. You want to convert into fraction. Percentage sign means divided by 100. You are converting into percentage. You are multiplying by 100. You are from percentage. You are coming back to fraction or ratio, dividing by 100. Whenever there is a percentage sign, means divided by 100. Understood? This can be 25 is 21 1 by 5. So 20% is equal to 1 by 5. You don't understand? So percentage you are converting into fraction. Previously we learned fraction you are converting into percentage. Now percentage you are converting into fraction. Now suppose 3.5. 3.5% you want to convert into fraction or ratio. You want to convert into ratio. 3.5 divided by 100. Now this point will be removed. 35 by 1000 because point removes when you are multiplying this one by actually decimal place is there. 35. So if you make it, it will go with 5, 7 5s and say 5 you cancel 250 it will become. So it will become 7 by 250. So this percentage is equal to this, or if you convert into ratio, fraction and this, numerator will be antecedent and denominator will be the second term of consequence. So 7 is to 50. See, 7 by 2 is equal to 7 is to 2. That's the ratio. Could you understand? So you can convert all these things. Now we move on to exercise. Exercise is very, very simple for class 6 standard. What is given in exercise 5A? Write the percentage. See, when the denominator is 100, no, that time numerator whatever it is that will be its percentage. So write in percentage 45 by 100 I have taken. Then I have taken 83 is to 100. One fraction I have taken, one ratio I have taken, another fraction I have taken. So 45 by 100 will be, I said you know any fraction multiply that one with 100, then put percentage sign, or the denominator is 100 means numerator will be its percentage. So here is 45% because the denominator is 100. Now here this ratio 83 is to 100 can be written as 83 by 100. Any fraction I said to you just now, 7 by 3 is equal to 7 is to 3. So this 83 divided by 100. So 83, now 100 is the denominator, definitely 83% it will be. Okay. Now moving on to this question, 225 by 100 means 225% because the denominator is 100. I hope the things are very easy. First you make the denominator 100. Suppose you want to convert 2 by 4 into percentage. What will you do? You can do one percent. You multiply this one with 100 either, or make the denominator 100. To make the denominator 100, definitely with 4 you have to multiply 25. No, as you are multiplying denominator 25, you have to multiply same number to the numerator only, so that the value will remain same. So this will become what? 50 by 100. So is equal to, now denominator is 100. What percentage? 50%. So 2 by 4 is equal to 50%. You understand? So make the denominator 100. Multiply something with the denominator. If it is becoming 100, that same thing you multiply with the numerator, that much percentage will be. That is what we have done. Now second question. Convert each of the following percentage into fraction. Percentage to fraction. Whenever the percentage is sign is there, that time you have to divide this number with 100. So 28% means 28 by 100. You understand? And this question said you have to keep the denominator as 100. So you do not go for the smallest term. So 28 by 100. Now in this case 156%. 156 divided by 100, because percentage sign always will be divided by 100. Could you understand? So 156 by 100, denominator is 100. You will not convert into smallest term because the question said not to convert. Now question number 3, convert percentage into fraction in a simplest form. Now percentage is given to 75%. 7% sign will be divided by 100. 75 by 100 it is. Could you understand? So 75 by 100 now can be converted to smallest term. It can be cancelled with 25 both. 25 3s are, 25 4s are. 3 by 4 is the answer. Okay, you have converted to smallest term. After converting that one to fraction with the denominator 100. Now 150% means 150 divided by 100 definitely. This will be cancelled by 50. 53s are, 52s are. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is the answer. I hope you have understood. Fill in the blanks is very simple. Fill in the box. Blank is 206%. Percentage sign will be divided by 100. So 206 divided by 100. This blank will be 100. Now question number 8. Dash percent is equal to 73 by 100. What percent? Denominator is 100. Therefore numerator will be the percentage. So this is the answer. Now moving on to 4 by 10. 100. 100 is given to you. So what percentage will be? Definitely it will be 4%. 4 will be the blank. Now moving on to question number 12, I have taken 100 by 100. You have got 100 upon 100 in mathematics. How much percentage you have got? Definitely you are having 100%. So I want from you 100% in mathematics. You understood 100% of percentage? Yes. Okay.